If you find the dime in this video, you can pretty much retire depending on your situation. So this one little dime sold for $456,000. Now, if you know why this coin sold for so much money, go ahead and leave a comment below. But if you're new, then I'm going to break down this coin very quickly. And it's always good to have a refresher if you already know. So this coin was graded by PCGS as a Proof 68. Now, the two best grading companies are PCGS or NGC. These guys have been around for decades and they're pretty much the go-to when grading your coins. You need to understand that it's not always worth getting your coins graded. Getting your coin graded involves spending time and money because when you send your coin off, you're not going to get it back for weeks or months. In some rare instances, even years. So it has to be worth it. But pretty much the highest achievable grade in grading is 70. This one's only 2 points away from that perfect grade. Next, this is a proof coin. Pretty much when it comes to proof coins, you're going to want to look at the backdrop or the field of the coin. That's going to be very reflective like a mirror. Let's point out that elephant in the room. Look at the toning on this coin. That's all the color happening there. Toning is a naturally occurring oxidation process where the metals in the coin will react with the air, causing it to look like this. Now, it's important to know that toning only really matters on high grade, good condition coins. If you have a really beat up coin and it has toning on it, it doesn't really matter that much, unfortunately. Now, another thing about toning is that toning can either have a positive or negative impact on the value. So this has a very consistent, very lustrous purple gold appearance to it, as it shows by the price tag of $456,000. There was obviously a few collectors that really wanted this coin, so they probably got into some sort of bidding war. But the main reason, this small little detail you need to look out for, guys, on your coin is this. So essentially, this 1975 Roosevelt dime came in a set of coins. This set of coins were all produced at the San Francisco Mint. This coin should have an S mint mark. Now, the very important thing you guys need to pay attention to is that this coin looks nearly identical to its sister coin, which is a Philadelphia minted coin. So Philadelphia minted 1975 Roosevelt dimes do not have a mint mark. They pretty much look identical to this coin. The big difference here is the fact that this coin is a proof coin. It should have had an S mint mark. So the Philadelphia minted coins are not proof coins, and you can tell because one is going to be very shiny and lustrous. Now, unfortunately, to dive a little bit deeper, there are people out there that will get a Philadelphia cheap coin, the one that's not worth a lot of money, and they'll polish it. They'll make it look just like this coin to try to trick people. So you have to be very aware out there and try not to get scammed, guys. Do your homework, do your due diligence, and remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. If this video is helpful, share it with a friend, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.